Hello friends, let's begin with Standard 10th Geometry, Chapter 5 Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 5.1, which in this we will talk about distance formula. Let us revise something from Standard 9th. We have studied in Standard 9th that we have a real number line. Let's consider 2 points P and Q. Here the coordinate of P is 1 and the coordinate of Q is 4. Therefore, the distance from P to Q is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Here 4 is greater than 1. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 units. Let's talk about XY plane. Here x-axis and y-axis intersect each other at origin. Consider a line on this plane with points P coordinate 1, 1 and Q coordinate 5, 4. Draw a line passing through point P parallel to x-axis and draw a line passing through Q parallel to y-axis. Both of them intersect, say, at point R coordinate 5, 1. As we can see that the points P coordinate 1, 1 and R coordinate 5, 1, X coordinate is changing while the Y coordinate is constant. Therefore, the distance from P to R is 5 minus 1 equals to 4 units. Let us consider the points Q and R. The Q coordinate is 5, 4 and the R coordinate is 5, 1. Here the X coordinate remains same while the Y coordinate is changing. Therefore, the distance from Q to R is 4 minus 1 equal to 3 units. As line PR and line QR intersect at 90 degree, it forms a right angle triangle PRQ. We can use Pythagoras theorem, that is PQ square is equals to PR square plus QR square, and we can get the answer PQ is equals to 5 units. Let's consider the same XY plane but with P coordinate x1, y1 and Q coordinate x2, y2. Again, draw a line passing through point P parallel to x-axis and draw a line parallel to y-axis passing through point Q. This time the point of intersection will be x2, y1. Now consider points P and R. Again, here y coordinates is same but x coordinate is changing. Therefore, the distance from P to R is x2 minus x1. Let's consider the points Q and R. Here x coordinate is same but y coordinate is changing. Therefore, the distance from Q to R is y2 minus y1. As the lines intersect at right angle, we get right angle triangle PRQ. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So, what does Pythagoras theorem says? PQ square is equals to PR square plus QR square. Here, PR is x2 minus x1 while QR is y2 minus y1. Therefore, PQ square is equals to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. If we take a square root, then PQ is equals to the whole square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Let's revise once again. What is the distance formula? If point P coordinate x1, y1 and Q coordinate x2, y2 lies in the xy plane, then distance PQ is equals to the whole square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, or PQ square is equals to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Let's revise once again from Standard 9, collinear points. 3 points A, B and C are collinear with point C is between A and B. We can write it as A dash, C dash, B. This is only possible when AB is equals to AC plus CB. Thank you.